Raumati, our summer months within Taiao Māori. Raumati is taken from the name Hene Raumati, the Atues of summer, the summer maiden of Tamanui Te Rā, his summer wife. Hene Raumati is connected to the whenua, down into the deep south of Aotearoa, there waiting for the reuniting of Tamanui Te Rā, who travels from the north down to the south where Hene Raumati resides and connects, and we have our summer solstice, the longest day, Te Takinga o Te Rā. From there, Tamanui Te Rā begins his journey to the north, back to Hene Takurua. They say that you can find Hene Raumati on the white fibres of the kumara. During these summer months, these long days helps our gardens to grow. Tuia ki te rangi, the signs in the heavens. Ki te ata in the morning, before the rising of the sun, before the rising of Tamanui Te Rā. The Tohu, or the star of the morning, is called Rehua. Rehua is a tohunga star, and is a part of the constellation called Te Mātua Maui, the Hook of Maui, also known as a part of the Scorpius constellation. Te Mātua Maui slows down the rising of the sun to where we get our longest day, the summer solstice. In the evening, we see the constellation of Te Waka Arangi, Matariki, Puanga, Tautoru. This constellation of Matariki and Puanga and Te Waka Arangi rule the night sky, travelling through our summer nights, and one of the best times to see Matariki and Te Waka Arangi in the evening. Tuia ki te whenua, the signs of the land. As Rehua rises in the morning, before the rising of the sun, our pahuta kawa on our coastlines begin to bloom, flowering red, known as matiti muramura. Also flowering around this time is also the kōwhai, blooming its yellow flowers. As Tamanui Te Rā is high and our days become longer, Papa Tuanuku begins to crack, as known as Matiti Kaiwai. She begins to yearn and thirst after water as the temperature of our land is dry. During this time, we need to be mindful of our precious resource, also making sure that we keep covered from the rays of Tamanui Te Rā. Tuia ki te moana, the signs of the ocean. With the rising of Rehua and the blooming of the pahuta kawa, there's a tohu and a sign that our kina are fat in the ocean, a delicacy of our Māori people. The tāmuri are also growing, and also a tohu that the haku and the tāheke roa, the kingfish and the marlin and the big fish, are getting closer to our shores. During the summer months, as we're in the realm of Tangaroa and Hene Moana, we keep safe on the ocean, in the water and by the water. And these are the tohu of Tuia ki te moana.